This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by equipping the metal detector kit and freeing one inventory slot so pickups register. Once done, join a match and head to mid or the target island where buried loot or traps hide. Activate the detector and sweep slowly in short arcs. The audio pitch rises and pings appear on screen as you near metal. Make sure to pause when pings spike so you can pinpoint the exact block before digging or engaging the enemy. Once you get consistent pings, shorten your steps to 1 or 2 blocks and sweep methodically because walls and chests reduce range. Make a small cross pattern by testing the center block, then north, east, south, and west to isolate the exact location. This avoids needless mining. If enemies approach, place quick blocks for cover and continue sweeping from behind the barrier because the detector still works through thin blocks. Make sure to balance mining speed with awareness so you don't get ambushed. After you uncover the target block, grab loot fast using a dedicated hotbar slot so you can react to threats. Once done, retreat to a safe angle and assess whether to invest or return to base. If you get false positives, clear adjacent blocks and redo the sweep. Debris or redstone can trigger pings. And if the detector audio or pings glitch, re-equip the kit or quick relog. This usually restores signals. Stay mobile and keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.